Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to write a program where we can print a message. Like we are going to ask a user to input his name, and once the user inputs his name, we are going to use his name and greet him. So firstly we need to import a package. So the to import a package we follow the following steps. We write import java dot util dot star semicolon. Everything is meant to be exact, nothing can be capital and nothing can be changed. It should be as it is, otherwise the program won't work. Now we have our class named SOUT. You can name it anything, but I named it like SOUT. Now we are going to go to the next line and write public static void main, and then make a scanner class. Now we need to ask the user his name. So we are going to use scanner class. Scanner sc is equal to new scanner, then bracket system dot in. This is really important. Without this command we cannot ask the user. Suppose we don't have this, then the program won't work because there are two errors. So what we need to do is we need this command really very much. Now without this command we cannot put this object in the program. So what does this system.in does? System.in does like it takes the input from the user. So it helps us take the input from the user. Now what should be input, like what should we write in it? That one we need to tell the user to write something in it. So what do we need? We need to make him tell him to write his name. So we are going to print a message that please enter your wonderful name. So that's it. We are going to write please enter your wonderful name, so that we have we can choose something. Like we have to put a name, like put a message telling the user, instructing the user to put his name, to input his name. So once the user writes his name using this system.in, it should get stored in some object or some variable. It should get stored in some variable. So we are going to create a string variable name. Why are we using string? We are using string because we have to take alphabets, not numbers. If it was integers or numbers, we would have taken int or double. So but we are not taking over here any number or anything, so we are using a variable string. So we are declaring this variable name. Now what I am going to do is put the value whatever the user types his name as, and that one should get stored in the variable name. So to do that we need to type the following command. By doing this whole thing, we are going to ask the user to input his name, and once the user writes his name, it's going to get stored in the name variable. So now we need to print a message, and that is we have to greet the user. So I and then we have to put the name. So we don't know what is the name that the user is going to input. So whatever the name the user is going to input is going to get stored in the name variable. So we are going to write plus name, and then we are going to write another plus over here, and then we are going to type I, whatever the name is going to be. Then hope you have a wonderful day. So by doing this we are going to print a message. Now what is now going to happen? What is going to happen now? Nothing but the import java dot util dot star semicolon is going to allow us to put a object, allow to type an object, that is scanner sc. So by typing scanner, it allows us to input the username, and whatever the username is being in typed, that is going to get stored in the variable name. Now when we print another message, the name is going to come over here, whatever the user. So basically what happens is the user is going to type his name, it is going to get stored over here, and that one when we write over here, it is going to present its name. So then now what if we run? We are going to run by clicking this thing and run sout dot main bracket whatever, and now it is going to take some time. It takes some while because my PC is slow, but it doesn't matter. Now it is printing a message telling please enter your wonderful name. So we are going to enter our name, that is Jack. I have just created a name. This is not my actual name, so don't worry about that. That's totally different. Now as it is written Jack, now I clicked on enter. So it is presenting a message that is I Jack. Hope you have a wonderful day. Now it is not presenting I plus name plus all those, because these are inside the inverted commas. Java only prints stuff that is inside the quotation marks. It won't print this thing. And so whatever the variable or whatever the name is stored in this variable is going to be present over here, that is Jack. So that is it for this program. You can add more functionalities to your program. You can make it more user friendly by just putting up message. Why is this not working? Okay, by just putting system.out.println, and then we are going to write hope you have a good day, thank you for using my program. So now what is going to happen is, so now what is going to happen is this message is going to get printed. Let's run the program again. Yes, now we are going to again type our name, that is Jack, and now it is going to tell hi Jack, hope you have a wonderful day ahead. I hope you have a good day. Thank you for using my program. This is how you make your program user friendly. This is great to make a good program, to make a good program, to have impression on the other person who is using your program or the user. You need to make your program user friendly. By making your program user friendly, the other person or the user will like a program, and it will give you more interest or more attention on your program. So that is it for today's video. Thank you. Subscribe to my video, subscribe to my channel, and like the video, share the video, and watch the previous video that is over here, and subscribe to this. And thank you. Bye. Have a wonderful, 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 wonderful day.